Imagine that this is one of your customer representatives. A person will walk into your store or call up over the phone, and your representative will take details and enter them into your system. Wouldn't it be great if your representative could know more about this potential customer or current customer instantly to tailor a response to them as an individual? How is this possible? Well, let's look at Jane. She wants to set up a new policy for her car insurance. Our representative will enter her details into the system and send off for a quote. But what happens if this customer is a potential high-value customer? She doesn't have her home insurance, contents insurance, or an endowment policy with us. What if we can collect information about this customer and use it instantly to determine whether this customer is high value? We can instruct our representative to offer an incentive to ensure that this high-value customer wants to do business with us. Well, with CICS business event processing, you can. A business event is any electronic signal or message indicating that a change in business has occurred or been contemplated. In this case, it's the request for a quote that's over a certain value threshold. So how does CICS facilitate this? Events can be emitted without a change to the existing business logic by defining candidates which will trigger events. These are called capture points. Any business events captured from a CICS application are processed and then dispatched by the event dispatcher. You can specify the priority of different events to control how the dispatcher processes them. The event is then sent to the EP adapter specified for that event, for formatting and routing to the relevant processor or consumer. An event consumer reacts to the event. An event consumer can be as simple as updating a business dashboard or as complex as required, carrying out new business processing as a result of the event. In our example, the event posts a message back to our representative instantly to inform them that they have a potential high-value customer and to offer a discount to ensure future business. Business events are easy to set up using the CICS Explorer. First, create a CICS bundle project to contain your CICS event binding. Now create your event binding. An event binding is the unit for deploying, enabling, and disabling CICS events. It holds your event specifications, capture specifications, and adapter and dispatcher information. The CICS Explorer provides wizards for you to create all of these. You can now add your event specification. The event specification defines a business event to CICS. An event specification can be created using the CICS Event Binding Editor by business analysts and developers, or by an application analyst in a response to a business requirement. An event specification describes an event and its processing in natural language. An event specification also defines the business data or information to be contained in the event. The following event is an example of an event specification. When the stock level of a certain item is low and there is no reorder in place, capture the following information: item reference number, item description, current number of items in stock, and current number of items on order. This data is all captured when a rewrite is made to the number of items in stock. In CICS Explorer, you are able to define predicates for event options. For this example, we are only capturing data where these predicates are met. For instance, when the number of items in stock is less than 24 and the number of items on order is 0. When you have used the CICS Event Binding Editor to create one or more event bindings in a CICS bundle project, you can either export the project as a zip file to the local file system for deployment to a CICS system, or you can export the project directly to an HFS file system. The CICS Explorer is supplied with a number of examples for you to get started with CICS events. These all have corresponding examples in the CICS Information Center to show you how you can work with CICS events and turn insights into action. For more information, search for CICS Event Processing.